Hello everybody. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the procedural foliage system of Unreal Engine. So with that you can spawn in a volume procedurally foliage. So yeah, let's begin. First of all, you have to activate it under your editor preferences. So for that, click on Edit and go to Editor Preferences. And here search for Procedural, Proceed, and under Foliage you can see Procedural Foliage. Activate this, close this window here. And now we have to place a foliage volume and create a spawner, a foliage spawner, and inside the spawner we have to add our foliage which we want to spawn in the volume. So to make this we search first for procedural foliage volume, select this one and scale it. So for that, go under the detail panel, scroll down, and under brush settings, the X and Y and Z axis, I scale it to 10,000. And now you can see the volume is much bigger. And now we have to create the spawner. So for that I create a new folder. I call it procedural foliage. Go inside that and now right click and search for procedural, here, procedural foliage spawner. Select this, rename it. I left it like it is. Double click on it, and here under foliage types you have to create arrays. So click on the plus. I will put 3 foliage inside, so I create to another one. So first I'm selecting filter for static mesh foliage, and I select this one here. This tree and the grass. Save it, close it, and now we have to place the foliage spawner into the volume, into the procedural foliage volume. So for that we scroll here down under in the detail panel to procedural foliage, and here we have to place the foliage spawner which we created. So I search for it. Yeah, where is the folder? Procedural foliage, and here's the spawner. Select it, and now we have to click to resimulate. And now you can see we got a procedural foliage spawned into the volume. And yeah, this is how the system works. And you can see the trees here, they don't go straight up. So we can fix that. For that you have to go inside the foliage. So I show you this. I go into Ancient Temple, I search for static mesh foliage, and I've selected this tree here. Double click on it, and here under inside the detail panels I have to search for align to normal. Align to normal and set it to false. So like this, save, close it, and now we have to resimulate the spawning. So select the procedural foliage volume again and hit resimulate, and now you can see the trees are going from the bottom to the top up. Yeah, and this is how the system works. See you.